If you're a freelancer looking to scale your business, you need to know how to package your freelance services into high-ticket offers. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn your services into premium, high-ticket packages that attract better clients and increase your revenue. First, let's talk about the mindset shift. The key to packaging your services is understanding that you're not just selling time, you're selling transformation. Think about the results you deliver, not the hours you work. High-ticket offers focus on the value you provide to the client, not just the work you do. Now, step 1, define your target market and their pain points. High-ticket clients want results, and they're willing to pay for the right solution. Identify their biggest problems and craft a solution that solves them in a big way. This is the foundation of your high-ticket offer. Step 2, bundle your services. Instead of offering one-off services, group them together in a way that makes sense. For example, if you're a graphic designer, instead of offering just a logo design, create a complete branding package that includes a logo, color palette, business card design, and even social media templates. You're adding value by combining services that your client would need together, and this justifies a higher price. Step 3, create a tiered structure. This means offering different packages at different price points, so potential clients can choose what fits their budget and needs. A good structure could include a basic, intermediate, and premium package. Each package should build upon the previous one by adding more value and customization. Step 4, show the ROI. High-ticket clients are looking for an investment, not an expense. You need to communicate the return on investment they will get from your services. This could be in the form of increased revenue, more clients, or better brand recognition. The more you can showcase how your service will directly impact their bottom line, the easier it will be to sell your offer. Step 5, price it confidently. Once you've packaged your services into a high-value offer, price it accordingly. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Your expertise and the results you provide should be reflected in the price. Remember, clients looking for high-ticket services are paying for outcomes, not just tasks. And finally, the bonus step. Utilize the right tools to streamline your offers. I recommend using a software that can help you manage your packages, set up your client workflow, and keep everything organized. If you're curious about which software I recommend for this, check the description below for an exclusive free trial. This software is perfect for freelancers who want to streamline their high-ticket service delivery. To recap, 1. Shift your mindset and focus on transformation, not just tasks. 2. Bundle your services to create more value. 3. Create a tiered structure with different price points. 4. Communicate the ROI your services provide. 5. Price your services with confidence. And don't forget to check out the free trial in the description for the software I recommend. Key takeaway. Packaging freelance services into high-ticket offers is all about providing value and results, not just time or tasks. Use these steps to transform your services and attract higher-paying clients. And be sure to grab your exclusive free trial of our recommended software in the description below to follow along.